What is up, fellow prodigies? It's Mike and welcome. I'm going to show you how I mix my bass to get that consistent punchy fat bass, and I'm so excited. Let's hop into the DAW. Alrighty, so we are here. Note that you can use any DAW pretty much as always, and so we have this one bass track. Let me tell you, most beginners and I used to also mix it this way, where I just slap whatever effects that I want to add or directly into the rack. I mean, it's fine, but you're not gonna get that full control to make it even sound better. So what we can do is we duplicate the track, which we did on this one, and I personally like to label them high and low. And you see why in a second, and then you group them, which we have this one. And then slap an EQ on both of them. Why? Because we want to separate the high end from the low end, because we don't want to mess with the low end for this one, and we're going to keep straight mono for the low end. Now for the EQ settings of the high, set a high pass filter at 200 Hz. And for the low, set a low pass filter at 200 also. And stick with me, we're almost done. Now if we play these two together, it sounds the same as the one bass track that we just heard earlier. Okay, now here's the fun part. You can now start to go crazy and put whatever effects you want. But chorus, saturation, distortion, stereo widener, go crazy, just don't overdo it. So yes, so we have chorus of you. Saturator. And a free distortion plugin called Camel Crusher. And you can also set to taste the volume of each. If the low end part of the bass is too loud, you can turn it down, or the high part of the bass is too loud, you can turn it down if you want, whatever. It's up to your preferences. And also you can mix the bass as a whole through the main bus or group track, whatever you call it. And I have an EQ over here. So let's try to hear it with the whole track.
I don't really think that you should chase it. Stay let it before you get wasted. Think I'm never too late for the big day. Let me tell you we was worth the wait. Chase it, stay still. Never too late for the big day. Let me tell you we was worth the wait.
So yes, that's all for it. And if you like this one, if you want more tips and tricks, kindly consider smashing that like button, and oh, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. It surely will help me a ton, and for the algorithm also to spread this video to other producers like you, like us. As always, have fun. I'll see you soon, and peace out.